Hi, Mario. This is Dora. It was nice talking to you this morning. So, this is the video that I was talking about. So, I'm just going to kind of look over, what countertop installation companies are in your area. So, I did a Google search. The most important thing that comes up first is this Google Map pack right here. Now, ultimately, that would be the place where you would really want to be with your business because they do tend to pull in the most business from the Google search just because it's fast and easy right here. Now you can get into that map pack too. Just make sure that you have a Google business page that is completely filled out and optimized. And then make sure that you get as many citations as you possibly can. So that just means to take the name, address, phone number, all those things from your Google business page and put them into as many directories as you can, like Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages. There's all kinds of them out there. That kind of helps Google to sort of validate your business, and that's what allows you to move into these top three on the Google Map Pack. Now, we also have organic searches, which is also pretty important. And right now, your main competition is going to be tops and countertops. So that's the one I'm going to look at just to kind of show you what you could be getting for business. So this is just their website. It's pretty standard. If you were to, decide to have a website again, you'd want to make sure that you had 1,500 words of content on the homepage. And that is just because when Google sends their crawlers out, they don't just check to see if you have relevant information anymore. They also count how many words you have. So that would be a good thing to do, have that 1,500 words of content. That would help you to move up. So this is a program I use called Ahrefs, and it just lets me kind of look at a website and see how it's working. So right now, your competitor has a domain rating of 0, which is the power of their website, and they have a URL rating of 7, which is the trust of their website. So that just tells me that their backlinks aren't always, maybe they're not as high powered as some others. So let's just look at those really quickly. A backlink is just when somebody else leaves a link from their page or their post on Facebook or Instagram or something like that, even a directory like Yellow Pages, when there's a link back to your business from them. Now they have a certain power with their websites, and so they end up sharing some of that with you. So right now they have, quite a few backlinks. They have some good, powerful ones. And, in order for you to rank, you would want to beat them with more powerful backlinks than what they have. And then hopefully we would find some that had a little more trust to them as well to help you move up in Google also. So the other thing I wanted to show you about would be keywords. Now, keywords are super important. So the way that you get to rank for keywords is that you first of all make sure that you're utilizing those words in that 1,500 words of content and on your other pages. That's just because, you have certain things that you do better or want to do more than other things, and those are the keywords that you would want to use, as well as the ones where a lot of people are looking for them each month. So right now your competitor has 141 keywords and about 165 people are reaching out to them each month. So let's just look at the keywords. All right, so for example, in Colorado Springs alone, there are 450 people each month that are looking for Countertops Colorado Springs. Right now your competitor is number 4 in the ranking, so 54 people reach out to them each month. This keyword's a little more difficult. It would, take a little while to take and be up into that number 1 position, but it's definitely possible and feasible. So also, let's see, I want to look at the more local ones. So those would be the ones that actually say Colorado Springs on them. So Granite Countertops, Colorado Springs, 400 people look for that each month. And right now your competition's number 11, so they're pulling about 11 people out of that. So the main reason for me to show you this, Colorado Countertops 500, Quartz Countertops Colorado Springs, is I want you to show you that there is plenty of volume available to you to utilize just through the internet. And so it would probably suit you to, go ahead and get that website going again. And, I know it's like starting over again, like you were talking about, but in the long run, it's definitely going to bring you a lot more business. So, Mario, I hope this was helpful. I look forward to talking with you tomorrow, and I'll give you a call about 1 o'clock. So, thanks a lot and have a great evening.